Hey, it's Alex with Lever Fighter Writer, and in this video, I'm going to explain the difference between sponsorships and affiliate programs. If you're a content creator like a Twitch streamer or a YouTuber or anything like that, or you're looking to start making money as a content creator or a streamer, and you're interested in using sponsorships or affiliate programs in order to supplement any other income sources you may have, it's really important to understand the differences between them and where to find them and how to evaluate them. So that's what I'm going to explain in this short video. So I've got the basic differences written down here. Sponsorships are typically only awarded to creators with large followings or a proven record of generating sales. And that's because sponsorships can have a variety of different compensation models, including a fixed rate, such as $200 for a 30-second ad read, or a fixed rate plus commission, such as $200 for a 30-second ad read plus 15% on sales generated via your link, and a variety of other types of compensation. One of the key differences to note between sponsorships and affiliate programs is that sponsorships are very often not strictly performance-based, which basically means that they are paying you to create content for them, or at least paying you to do an ad read or something like that in a piece of content that you're already creating. And they may include a commission on top of that, but if you aren't guaranteed money, then it's not really a sponsorship, it's an affiliate program. And affiliate programs, while generally not as lucrative as sponsorships, are still a great way to make money online. One of the great things about them is that they're very often open to anyone who thinks they can make sales. A lot of affiliate programs, especially those for kind of general products that lots of people buy, are pretty much open to the public. So anyone who thinks that they have a good strategy for recommending the product or service can basically sign up and use it as an extra source of income. And there are many people who make their entire income just via affiliate marketing, but it is a really accessible business model that anyone can get into if they think that they can promote something successfully. And the reason I say successfully is because affiliate programs are generally strictly performance-based, such as receiving a fixed percentage of sales generated using your affiliate link. There are some affiliate programs that you don't need to make a sale to make money, that we call those cost per leads or cost per action, things like that. But cost per lead is pretty rare these days because it's just too easy to generate fake leads, which can be filtered out, but then you end up spending a lot of time filtering out fake leads, and it's just easier to reward people for making sales for your business rather than worrying about validating leads to make sure that they were real people. And another great thing about affiliate programs is that if you manage to make a good amount of money in an affiliate program, there's a good chance that other businesses that have similar products or that have products that serve a similar audience would be interested in paying you to promote their stuff. The reason that I wanted to make this video is because a friend of mine who is a Twitch streamer a while back, she was all excited about getting her first sponsorship. And so, of course, I wanted to know more. And I said, what is it? She said, HelloFresh. I said, oh, great. What are the terms of your sponsorship with them? And she said that she gets $10 per new customer that she signs up. And so I did a little research. And sure enough, this is the HelloFresh website. And this is their public information about their partnership program. And it says the incentives are $10 for a new customer. So, and then they mention that their top sellers get bonuses. There's a 14-day cookie lifetime, which is a little bit below average. Most are around 30 days, but it's not bad. And they say a low cancellation rate, but that doesn't really mean anything because you're only getting $10 per customer acquisition, which means that if you refer a returning customer to them, you get nothing. And if you refer a customer to them that goes on to be a customer for years to come, you still get nothing more than $10. So this is an affiliate program, but it's being advertised as a sponsorship program in Stream Elements, because I did a little bit more research and I found this Reddit thread where someone is saying, has anyone tried out the HelloFresh sponsorship offer? If so, is it worth my time? And so they mentioned that they got an email, and this was coming through Stream Elements because they're using Stream Elements, which is a software that provides bots and other services for streamers. And they also have a sponsorship database, which I guess in this case is an affiliate program. And you can see the most upvoted response here is sponsorship or affiliate. If they're paying you, then go for it. So they're saying if it's a sponsorship, go for it. As in, if you're going to be getting money no matter what, go for it. and then says if they want to give you a discount code in exchange for free advertising, then no. And that could be referring to an affiliate program, or it could just be talking about a company actually wanting free advertising, although I don't think that they would be calling themselves a sponsorship program if there was no way you could earn money at all. And then this person replies, and they have 154 upvotes, and they say, yeah, Twitch streamers need to stop calling affiliate links sponsorships. So basically exactly what I was saying. This is HelloFresh's affiliate program, which pays $10 when you sign up a new customer for them. And it's not a sponsorship program, and it's not even really a great affiliate program. Now, I'm not trying to put down HelloFresh. Their product is not very high in profit. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, they sell meal kits. So it's like you get pre-portioned food and then you cook it yourself into a meal that they provide the recipe for. And so it's a pretty good service that a lot of people seem to like, but it's also not very profitable. They're probably only profiting like a couple dollars on most of the meals that they sell. So they can't really afford to have a super lucrative affiliate program. So that part's understandable. However, using stream elements to advertise themselves as a sponsorship program, that doesn't really seem appropriate to me. And so that's kind of why I wanted to make this video, to get the message out there that there is a difference between sponsorships and affiliate programs, and both of them are good. I'm not saying that you shouldn't sign up for this program. Like if you have an audience of people who you think would want to subscribe for HelloFresh for a couple weeks to try it out, then absolutely go for it. It's a good way to earn $10. And as I mentioned earlier, if you can use an affiliate program to build up a reputation as someone who can make sales, then you're going to be much more likely to receive a sponsorship offer. And the last thing to mention here is just a quick look at where you can find affiliate programs. The platform I recommend the most right now is impact.com. It has a really wide variety of affiliate programs for products ranging from physical e-commerce products to things like HelloFresh, to apps and other software, to business stuff. They just have all kinds of stuff on there. And the reason that I recommend Impact is because it is a much newer and more actively maintained platform than most affiliate programs. The other one that I'm recommending here is ShareASale. And ShareASale is similar to Impact, but it is one of the older, less updated, less maintained ones. I think that a lot of affiliate programs on ShareASale don't have a lot of people actively promoting them who are actually making money through them. And generally, when you're looking for an affiliate program, you want to find one that other people are actively making money with, because that way you know that it's possible. You know that the company has a functional sales process, and when you send leads their way, they're going to turn them into sales and they're going to send you some commissions. But I am in some affiliate programs that I like on ShareASale, and there's plenty of others. And they actually have a lot more that aren't B2B, which is all that I do. So Impact and ShareASale are my recommendations. You can also go on platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24 or JVZoo. Those are all significantly older affiliate platforms. And while they do have occasional good products on them, I've found that it's really hard to wade through all the not so great products on them. And as I mentioned about ShareASale, they also have a tendency to have a lot of programs that are basically inactive, where there might be no one actively making money in it and you don't even really know if their sales process works. Or there might be a few people making money in it, but there's no affiliate manager to help you if you run into any problems when you're getting started. So because of that, the only two affiliate platforms that I really recommend right now are Impact or ShareASale. Let me know in the comments if there's one that I'm not thinking of. But my favorite way to join affiliate programs is actually just directly via the vendor website. Now, some companies prefer to go on something like Impact or ShareASale because it just kind of makes more of it managed for them. But a lot of businesses that sell online prefer to have their own affiliate program built right into their website. And there's lots of different ways that you can create affiliate programs with like Shopify or WordPress, whatever your online store is built on. And so if you're looking for ideas of what you can promote, just try going on the websites of your favorite brands, like the places that you like to buy stuff from, and check the header and footer menus and see if they have an affiliate program or a partner program or something like that listed. Sometimes affiliate programs are called partner programs because that's technically what they are. But generally speaking, partner can be a bit broader, whereas affiliate programs refer specifically to affiliate marketing, but it might be called a partner program regardless. And you can also just search Google for things like the niche that you're looking for products in and the words affiliate program, and you'll find some websites. You'll also find lists of affiliate programs on blogs out there when you do that. And so when I'm thinking about promoting something, usually what I do is I look at stuff that I'm already using and I see if they have an affiliate program. Then if they don't, I look for an alternative that looks just as good that has an affiliate program, preferably one through its own website. And if I can't find that, then I'll look on like ShareSale and Impact and just search through their database and see if they have anything. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.